In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best beginner's camera rig that comes in for under £500. And first up in this list is the most important part, the camera. Coming in at around £250 to £300 on the used market is the Canon 7D Mark I. Yes, it is a 10-year-old camera, and no, it doesn't shoot 4K or 120 FPS slow motion. But what this camera does do is offer you a really premium camera for next to no money at all. The 18 megapixel APS-C size CMOS sensor in this camera will allow you to shoot really great quality 1080p video and allow you to make use of all of Canon's EF and EFS glass. You get all the premium features and build quality that you'd expect from a camera that cost £1,700 when it was released, all for less than the cost of a tripod. The price point of this camera on the used market puts it in the same category as some of the entry-level DSLRs out there, such as Canon's 200D. But with the 7D Mark I, you get fantastic photo and video quality and a build quality that will far outlast anything else in this price point. Essentially, it's a fantastic option for any vloggers or new video shooters out there that are looking for premium quality results on a low budget straight out of the camera. Now, next up on this list is the lens, and coming in at around £60 on the used market, we have one of the most popular and versatile lenses of all time, the Canon EF 50mm f1.8. Having a lens that weighs only 130 grams is a huge bonus, especially for any vloggers or run and gun style filmers. It is most definitely the type of lens that you can strap on the front of your DSLR, use all day and forget about, and for that, I love this little guy. For sure, this lens does have some shortcomings. The build quality feels a little bit plastic, it's very lightweight in feel, and it uses the DC autofocus motor, which is quite noisy, but none of these shortcomings would make this lens a bad choice for any type of filmmaker. This lens makes up for those shortcomings I mentioned with having pretty decent optics, a fast aperture, and more importantly, it renders a really natural and aesthetically beautiful looking image. Essentially, this is a great low budget option for a lens that will undoubtedly follow you throughout your entire filmmaking journey. Now, clearly audio is vital to any kind of decent video, so this list wouldn't be complete without a good quality microphone option. And coming in at £64 brand new, we have the Rode VideoMic Go. This cold shoe mounted microphone will cover pretty much all the bases you would want from a DSLR microphone for vlogging or run and gun style filming. Firstly, the audio quality, which is a massive step up from the internal microphone on the 7D Mark I. In fact, it's a big step up from the internal microphone on any DSLR camera that you're likely to use. Also, it's incredibly easy to use, being an entirely plug and play design. There's no batteries or switches to worry about with this microphone. Power is supplied to the microphone via the 3.5mm audio jack, meaning it has an always on design. And talking of design, this microphone is also what we would call a cardioid pickup. All that means is that it's really great at picking up sound that's in front of it. It's a very directional microphone and it rejects sounds from the sides and the rear, again making this a great choice for vloggers. That cardioid design combined with the integral suspension mount and foam windshield that it comes with makes this microphone a really easy one to use and get great results from every time. And finally, no vlogging setup would be complete without some kind of tripod or handheld grip for your camera. And really, it's no surprises here that I've gone for the Joby GorillaPod 3K. Coming in at around £40 new, the Joby GorillaPod offers one of the most versatile camera supports that you can get on the market. Now, make no mistakes, these little tripods are full of shortcomings. The build quality isn't great, they're likely to break over time, and they're more than a little unreliable when you use them as tripods. But for a camera rig of this weight and size, there's little else on the market that offers the comfort and versatility of the Joby GorillaPod at this price point. So with all things considered, this handheld camera grip is still a good option for you. So there you have it, my full vlogging setup for under £500. Now, of course, All these parts are interchangeable, and I'm sure you've probably got your own ideas or will discover better options as your filmmaking journey continues. But one thing I know for certain is that if I was offered this rig when I first started out, I'd have been able to achieve some incredible results that far outstrip that £500 price tag. So for more information on any of the items we featured here, there's some links below, and whilst you're down there, why not consider subscribing to the channel or even signing up to the Filmmakers Club on Patreon. That's been my grab and go review, list style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.